Hi traders! Today we're gonna see one of the most powerful custom indicators that I ever created and backtested. It works really well on different cryptocurrency, but proven as always, as you can see in this example. AVAX 171%, Phantom 141%, Play 142%, Matic 100%. We will deep dive into one of these specific coins, but if you don't want to miss other coins backtesting, consider subscribe to the channel. At the end of this video, you'll have a deep understanding of the logic behind this strategy and how to use it for your personal trading. So, let's dive into it! As Larry Williams suggests, after a period of low volatility or a narrowed price range, there is a higher probability of a subsequent increase in volatility. That means that when the market experiences a period of consolidation, so tight trading ranges, it is often followed by a breakout or expansion in price movements. So, why don't code this theory? That's where my indicator comes in. I created this custom indicator that detects price ranges. As you can see, we can detect how many bars in the range, that means the length of ranges. Here, the maximum percentage. In this particular example, it will detect range that are less than 1.5%. As you can see here, is 0.76%. Other than that, you can detect range that are lesser than this percentage or range that are greater than this percentage. Today we will concentrate only range lesser of this percentage, because we are looking of tight range. After a period of consolidation, usually some kind of breakout will appear, both on the downside or on the upside. It could be really interesting to catch this movement. And this particular kind of operation is the breakout trading. Basically, we will try to enter at the beginning of a trend, whereas with the trend following logic, usually you enter when the trend is already beginning. Let's see some example on the chart. As you can see here, we have a tight range of 1.41%. Our consolidation period is composed by 50 bars. When the price cross and close above the upper line, then we will enter in a position. Looking at the short position, when we have a tight range, as here, 0.75%, price cross and close below the lower line, then we will open a short position. As always, we can filter the entry signal with an exponential moving average filter. That means that it will detect only ranges that are near the exponential moving average or above the exponential moving average. As you can see in this example, there is the breakout of the range and then the price cross above the exponential moving average. Whereas with the filtered short signal, it will only detect breakout that are below the exponential moving average. Okay, so now that we understand the logic behind this breakout strategy, we are ready to jump into backtest. Today we're gonna backtest AVAX USDT 30 minutes time frame on Bybit exchange. I find this value to work well on this coin and on this time frame, but there is still room for some optimization. I set at 5 bars in the range minor of 1.5%. I apply a filter of the EMA 300 period, short position, stop loss 3%, take profit 7%. Let's see some backtest results. As you can see, the equity line is really good. 171% net profit, 150 trade, 42% percentage profitable, profit factor 1.63, max drawdown 13%, average trade 1.15%. Net profit / drawdown value 5.52%, which is really interesting. Max win row 6, max loss row 8. Risk reward ratio 2.33%, average win 6.9%, average loss 3.14%. We are backtesting about 2 years of chart. Anyway, I will consider this strategy, because the equity has a really good shape, there is no such a big drawdown, the max drawdown is really low, 30% is really low, and the logic behind the strategy I really appreciate. I think especially in bull market this will be really interesting, because as you can see there are so much consolidation period and then the price will skyrocket like there is no tomorrow. We are not yet in a bull market, but just to make you an idea, 1.27% range and then the price skyrocket like hell. Anyway, it's just an example to understand the logic of the strategy. It doesn't mean that you will have taken this trade, but you get the point about the logic. So today we have discovered an edge on this specific coin on this time frame, but as I previously showed you, this kind of strategy works really well on the cryptocurrency market. Of course, it won't work well on all coins. According to my backtest, it's more effective in shorter time frames, from 1 hour to 15 minutes. But it's up to you where you want to backtest this strategy. I will leave the link in the description as with all my strategy, so that you can add to your favorite indicator and use it on your own chart. If you want to see these other backtests, I will cover them in a future video, so consider subscribe to the channel if you're interested. And if you like this video, please press the like button. We'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.